Patty, the perfect teacher, part
Part three.
3. She is close to retirement, Justin.
Good for her. Congratulations, Patty.
Yeah, Patty's done well. She decided to get a master's degree
Nice.
in counseling.
Oh, she's out of the classroom.
She taught for 20 years.
Good for her.
Taught for 20 years and then said, you know what, I'm going to change it up. I'm going to help kids more one-on-one,
Okay.
help with their emotional needs and
And then,
scheduling and all that
yeah,
other
and the
stuff.
next steps after high school.
Yeah.
Cool.
Scholarships, where they want to go to college or jobs, those types of things. So it's been really nice. She's glad she got a master's degree in something outside of teaching.
Okay.
But she loved her 20 years of teaching.
Yeah.
So she's getting close to retirement. And she decided she's not going to buy years. She's going to go all the way and get her full pension without having to buy years.
Okay.
She did research it, though, and found out she could buy 5 years.
Ooh.
But since she's enjoying counseling so much, she's going to go all the way in.
Good for her.
Yeah.
Nice that she did that research and was able to have that as an option and make that decision on her own.
Exactly. She kept investing. She has money in maxing out her Roth IRA. She did the 457 plan.
Okay.
And then she's put some money in a brokerage account also.
Nice.
So she has her investments set up well. So that's all looking good.
That is looking good. Yeah.
So she knows she'll be relatively young when she retires. She's not too worried about what she's going to do after retirement. She might get a job. She might volunteer. She might just do a lot of her hobbies and interests. So she's not too stressed about that right now.
Mm-hmm.
So that's kind of where she's at. She's just in that nice last stages.
Nice.
She's still thinking about, because she knows your pension is based on your highest average salary. For some, it's your highest 3 years. For others, it's 5 years.
Yeah.
So check that out for yourself. It kind of depends on when you started in education.
Yeah.
But she's thinking about maybe coaching volleyball, because she loves volleyball, to bump up her highest average salary to
Right.
make her pension a little more. But she's not sure she's going to do that.
Yeah. A lot of teachers do that for the last couple of years there. They coach or they take on some other form of extracurricular, whether it's a club.
Exactly.
Right. Just to push that up a little bit more. So good for her.
Yeah. And she knows insurance. She's researched it. She knows she can afford Paris health insurance.
Okay.
She's researched that. But she also knows on the open market, there's less expensive health insurance.
Okay.
So she's not too worried about that either. But she did her research. She didn't share the numbers with me in this fictitious.
That's right. That's right.
But Patty, the perfect teacher, has done all the work. And she continues to learn about personal finance because now as she's transitioning and eventually going to retire, she knows she's going to withdraw money from her accounts, and she wants to be smart about that too.
Yep.
She already knows about the 4% rule, for example.
Yeah.
So she's
So
in a
she's-
really good place.
She's looking up. She's been focused in on contributions, and now she's educating herself on distributions.
Exactly. It's going to be a shift because, for like you said, for years she's just save and invest.
Yep.
And then once she's retired, start pulling it out and enjoying it
Yeah.
and spending it. So
Well, good for Patty.
yeah, she's in a really good place. So if there's other things you think Patty should have been doing, we didn't talk about everything she's done,
Sure.
or other advice if she was here you could give to her, but that's kind of what she told us she's doing right now.
Yeah. Let us know what your thoughts are down in the comments. What Patty could have done or should have done, or what little tips and tricks you have.
Yeah, and wherever you are in your journey, hopefully it's going well. Hopefully some of the things Patty is doing you picked up and maybe they'll benefit you. Of course, personal finance is personal,
Mm-hmm.
so you might have different plans and different goals. But learning what other people are doing, sometimes you can pick and choose some things from other people. I know I have.
Right.
Through all the people I've learned from, books, articles, friends, I kind of pick and choose. So maybe you've learned something from Patty's journey as she